In this video, I want to talk about how you can search on Temu. So if you want to search for some specific items, there will be different ways to do this. Now the main search bar right here is probably the best one. So if you come here and search for pillow, you will get a lot of pillows. Now there are some other search tools, which is you can go to best selling, you can go to 5-star rated, you can find a new one, or you can go to categories. Now, once you search for something, you will be able to apply some filters. So if you click on filter, you can see here, you will be able to apply many different ones. So since I search for pillow, what I can do is I can do the standard, single, which is for bedding size. I can do colors and operation instructions and all this stuff. Now, if I search for something else, my filters will be different. So just keep that in mind, but that is basically how it's done. If you go to best selling items, it will show you the best selling ones right now. And you can see like this one has 300,000 sold. And keep in mind, this is dependent on your region. So if you're from the United States, it might show different ones than me, but that is how it's done, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.